I'm going to do a review on the Retaliator Eli. So I got the stock off. I got the grip off. So you put the stock on like that. Hold up. So you attach that. If you want to take it off, you pull that down and pull it off. This side is where the stock cuts off. And then we have a grip over here. You slide the grip on the bottom. It's actually pretty easy. It's like you're putting on a scope to anything. So let me do that real quick. Okay, like that. Then this comes with this with 12 bullets. But if you were to go to the store and find a bigger clip with 18 bullets, yeah. So that is it. It's actually pretty easy to put the ammo in. The little nerf thing right there, where the nerf bullet is, you point it, you put it in there. Then you push that thing was right here. You push that thing up and you fire. Look at that. Boom. Peace and sub.